Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Lizzet. Today's video we are getting it all done and cleaning. So if you are here for some cleaning motivation to get you up and moving, then you are in the right place. So I am starting off in my kitchen, and I like to always start on the island first because, as you can see, it just collects so much clutter. So I'm just clearing off everything that I see and putting everything back to where it belongs. And I am using the method in the lavender scent of the all-purpose spray to clean off my countertops. Next, I am putting all of my plants away. I like to put them all in one corner or in one little section when I water them. It's just a lot easier than having to go into each room for each plant. So just putting all those back.
I don't know if you know yet, I've realized that I'm dying to tell you.
And then now I am clearing off the left side of my sink. If you guys have been following me for a while, then you know that I hand wash my dishes, and as I wash them, I place them off to the left side of the sink. So these are all clean dishes that I am putting away. Next, I'm cleaning the sink, and I'm using the Dawn antibacterial dish soap in the apple scent. And to be honest with you guys, I have not even been using Mrs. Meyer's or Method dish soaps. I have really been just only using the Dawn dish soap. I just feel like Dawn really gets all the dirt, the grime, and the oils with like one swipe of the sponge, whereas when I use my Method or my Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, sometimes I have to go back and forth, and I don't know, I just feel like Dawn really gets the job done faster and a lot cleaner. So I have just been on Dawn lately. I still do use the Mrs. Meyer's soaps, more like the hand soaps. I'll just put them in the bathroom. But for my dishes, I have been using Dawn, and I just feel like it really just cleans a lot better. Don't come for me, sorry. I still love Mrs. Meyer's and Method, but I don't know, Dawn has won over my heart. So moving on to my stove, and I'm still using the Method all-purpose spray in the lavender scent. So this mirror I had been eyeballing at Target for quite some time now, if I'm being honest. It's $80 at Target. Well, I found it at the thrift store for $29.99. Yes. Do you guys see why I love thrifting? I have been just so obsessed with finding gems like this, and I'm so happy with it. I'm telling you, I've been thrifting every week, to be honest, and I love it. And you guys see, when I saw that mirror, I was like, oh my god, I need that now. And the lady that was working there told me, like, she said, oh yeah, that's the Target mirror, we just got it in today, so I know it's not gonna last. And I was like, no, it's not, because I'm taking it. So I got it for $29.99. I'm telling you guys, if you guys have not thrifted, you guys need to go into your local thrift store. So now that I'm done with the kitchen, I'm just sweeping it up, and then I will go in and mop right after. I like to sweep and mop in sections. So for example, if I'm done with the kitchen, I'll sweep and mop the kitchen. If I'm done with the dining room, I'll sweep and mop the dining room. I just prefer it, to be honest. I feel like I don't have to wait for the whole house to dry, where I could, if I do a spot at a time, it's just easier to kind of maneuver around that one area that I mopped. So for my mop, I'm just using the mop that I have been raving to you guys about. I love this mop. It's just, you just spray, swipe, swipe. It's so easy. And I'm using the Mr. Clean floor cleaner. And as you guys can see, I have been using my dining table for all of my arts and crafts and DIYs. It's honestly looked like this for the past few weeks. I'm not even gonna lie. I have just been in such a creative mode lately and have been wanting to do all the DIYs. So this is the one spot that I've been filming and doing everything at. So I had tons and tons to clean up here. And I actually just got this vacuum. It's the Shark cordless vacuum. I'm not sure on the name. I will keep trying it out and let you guys know what I think about it. But I just really needed a cordless vacuum because I still have my other Shark one, the one with the cord. That one's still working fine, and I still have it. But I just feel like for quick cleanups and when you're in a hurry, especially with 3 kids, I feel like you're always having to vacuum or pick something up. It's just easier for me to have a cordless vacuum as opposed to having to take out the cord, the one that has a cord, the vacuum, take it out, unravel it, plug it in, and then do it all over again to put it away. It's more time consuming. And as a mom of 3, the less I can take to clean, the better. So I had to get a cordless vacuum, and I've been liking it. I will let you guys know what I what I think of it as I use it more. So far so good. And now I'm in the living room, and like I said, the living room hasn't been too crazy because we've all been home, and I try to pick up throughout the day. So just kind of putting things back where they need to be, and then I went in and started to vacuum as well. So moving on to the entertainment center, as you can see, all the baskets were out. Luna loves to play with these, and she uses them like they're shopping carts. She just puts things all over the house inside of them. So 90% of the time they're always out. So I'm just wiping everything down and still using the same rag and the same method all-purpose spray. So moving on to the main bathroom, I am just putting everything away. This is a very small bathroom, so I feel like it feels cluttered all the time just because it's so little. But I need to figure something out for storage or find something that's more that'll work better for us, because we do, you know, like our toothbrush, our toothpaste, my hair things, and then my hot tools. I need to find a better method of how to put everything away so that it doesn't look so cluttered all the time. But for everything that I'm wiping down, I'm using a Clorox wipe, and then I'm using the Mr. Clean all-purpose cleaner. I just mixed it up with some water and use that. And then for the toilets, I'm using the Method toilet cleaner. And then the last thing I did was sweep and mop the hallway. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video and found some cleaning motivation from it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are not already, I would love for you to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future cleaning videos. And while you're at it, please hit that notification bell. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all of the support, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.